All right, welcome back. It is December the 18th, 2022, and you've got me and Sean here. Hey, Sean. And we are here for the 18th day of our Cotton Cuts holiday countdown box. So without further ado, Sean, you are even. So guess what you get to do first?
First, all right, so let's see our cool little card that they always include. Oh, there it is. I thought they didn't include it this time. All right. So this one's fun. The grass is greener where you water it.
Agreed.
So yeah, if you don't water your garden, especially in the middle of summer, it's going to be not so green. Especially if you live in Australia right now, because it's probably like, 75, 100 degrees there right now.
Really?
So, yeah, middle of summer. I mean, our seasons are backwards. So yeah, this whole Christmas in the middle of winter thing, I'm still getting used to, even though it's been 20-some years.
Wow, I didn't realize that. I don't remember my that part of my education very well. So now I get to have you tell me all about that.
Yeah. So since I just talked about it being hot as Hades in Australia right now, I wonder if I'm going to get like an orange or a red or some sort of color fabric, or is it going to be like blue to show the coldness of North American winter? Let's see.
No, you're going to get red. No?
It's cold. It almost looked like, when I first looked at it, it kind of looked like snowflakes, but it's actually a series of squares and dots and that sort of thing there. So looks really, really neat. I think it's going to go well with the other stuff that I've received over the last couple of weeks. So I'm very happy with this one.
It reminds me of a swimming pool.
Well, there you go. That's an idea.
I like that one. Very pretty. Oh, this one's got my favorite.
Purple?
I love flowers, if you didn't know that already. Okay. And this one has, I would say this is a daisy. So the backing is like a background fabric is like a real pretty blue. And it's got little flowers on it, or they remind me of daisies.
I think you're right.
Yeah. Totally not up your alley, Sean.
Yeah, I'm not a huge floral person, but that one I actually do like. If that was, if that somehow made it into my pile, I wouldn't be upset.
It's very pretty. I'm happy with this one. Very nice. What was our question that we were going to ask today?
At the top of the tree.
Oh, that's right. Yes. So we've been trying to do a question for you every day this week. It's fun to get to learn about each other and to be able to interact. So on top of your Christmas tree, if you decorate for the holidays, do you put a Christmas star up there? Do you put an angel? What do you use as your tree topper? Have a star on mine, and it's so heavy that it kind of leans like this just a little. And we have to stick it like really good on the Christmas tree, otherwise it's going to fall over. What do you have on yours?
Well, you'd think that these tree manufacturers would design it, the top of the tree to support these heavy things, as they're never light. We actually had a star for the longest time, but we've always wanted to have an angel. But Amanda and I could never decide or agree upon an angel to put on the top of the tree. Like the one that she liked, I didn't, and vice versa. And finally, about 2 or 3 years ago, we found one that we both agreed on. So we've bought it, and it's been sitting on the top of our tree ever since, and we both love it. So yeah, now have an angel.
Yay. I love that. Yeah, we sometimes, I'm sure you probably did have a hard time finding one. It probably wasn't easy, because sometimes they just don't speak to you. They have to look just right because they're going to be on top of your tree.
Yeah, but I found that if you're looking for that sort of stuff, the best place, at least in the US, to look for this sort of stuff is Hobby Lobby. I mean, you cannot do better for tree toppers and that sort of thing there than Hobby Lobby. And we didn't really have one in our area. The nearest one was like an hour away, so we never went out there. And then Amanda ended up finding it online. But yeah, if that thing ever falls off in Finley, choose it or whatever, I think Hobby Lobby is the first place I'll go look. Because when I worked in Australia, we had the angels and that sort of thing there, and just about every department store. That was so easy to find, and yeah, we just struggled to find them here. But the shipping from Australia would have been ridiculous. So
Oh, I could only imagine.
yeah, so that wasn't an option either. I wasn't going to pay $105 in shipping for a $25 tree.
If it's an angel, she should be able to fly.
Exactly.
Okay. Well, let us know what you use on top of your tree. We'd love to hear from you. And thank you so much for all the comments and all the interactions that we've had. We've been enjoying this so much. Today is officially a week from Christmas. Are you ready? All right. We will see you again tomorrow on Monday. Have a great night, everyone.
All right. Thank you.
Thank you. Bye.